Hi there, I'm Emma, and if you are wondering how to sell a domain and get some cash in your wallet, I'm gonna show you how. Maybe you're a domain investor, or you just have a bunch of domains that you don't use anymore, and you'd like to sell them rather than letting them expire and go back on the market for free. Introducing Afternic, the world's biggest domain marketplace. It's owned and operated by GoDaddy and trusted by millions to sell and buy domains. Follow these steps to get your domain on the market. From the GoDaddy homepage, under your account, choose My Products. Scroll down and under Domains, choose Manage All. In the domain portfolio, next to each domain, there is an estimated value. This is not the actual value, but an estimated based on keywords and other GoDaddy sales data. Check the box next to the domain you want to sell, and on the action menu, choose Sell Domain and then select Get Started. Set your buy now price. I'm going to price mine a little under the suggested price, hoping it will sell faster. It's recommended that you use a for sale landing page, which is free, by selecting the box. Think of it as putting out a for sale sign in front of your house, so if anyone visits your site, they'll see it's for sale. If you want to learn more about Afternic's terms of service or privacy policy, visit the links. When you are ready to proceed, choose Publish Listing. You'll be prompted to sign into your GoDaddy account just to make sure it's you. Once that's done, you'll see your domain has been listed for sale. Select Close. This may take a few minutes while GoDaddy creates your Afternic account and lists your domain for sale. When completed, you may be redirected to the Afternic sign-in page, but if not, visit afternic.com to sign in. I'm going to sign in to Afternic using my GoDaddy account details. From your Afternic dashboard, select Portfolio to see the domains you've listed. As you can see, my domain is listed and currently on the market. You can edit the Buy Now, Floor, Reserve, and Minimum Offer prices by selecting them. Much like eBay, a Buy Now option is great for impulse buyers. If you'd like to adjust the price in the future or remove the listing, select the menu under Action. But while you're waiting for the sale, you need to update your payment preferences. This is how you get paid. Select Account and then Account Details. Scroll down to Domain Sale Payments from Afternic and choose Add a New Payment Method. Create a nickname for the payment method. Call it whatever makes sense to you, and then select Save. The payment details entry should contain the same information as your GoDaddy account. If you need to update it, select Edit. If things look good, select Next. Select the payment method for how you want to get paid. The default setting is direct deposit, so that works for you. Fill in your bank details. The drop-down has other options. I'm going to use PayPal, enter in my details, and select Next. If you are in the United States, you are required to fill out a W-9 form, which is for declaring income on your federal taxes. If you have any concerns about this form, speak to a tax expert for more information. Once you have it filled out, select Next. That's it! You're done! If the domain sells, it will automatically transfer to the buyer's account. And if it hasn't sold, your listing will remain for sale on Afternic unless you decide to remove it manually. And that's how you sell a GoDaddy domain. Good luck with your sales, and I'll see you next time.